educated teachers, and my fellow curious minds. Today, we aren't just gathered in an assembly. We are standing at the edge of a vast ocean of possibilities. Science isn't just a subject in our heavy textbooks or a set of formulas on a whiteboard. It is the very breath of our civilization. National Science Day is celebrated every year on February 28th to mark a monumental moment in Indian history. On this day, in 1928, the legendary physicist Sir C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect. This discovery wasn't made in a billion-dollar lab, but with simple equipment and an extraordinary mind. It proved that when light travels in a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength. For this, he became the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in Science, proving to the world that genius knows no boundaries. Science is the only magic that is actually real. Today, our school turns into a lab of dreams. Whether you are looking at a chemical reaction or a complex robot, remember that every great invention started with a simple, I wonder what happens if. Get ready to have your minds blown and your curiosity ignited, because today we don't just study science, we live it. Thank you.
Let's all rise for the prayer.
And Sai Tejas of Class 8 will be rendering a speech on the topic Biometrics and Face Recognition.
Respected Principal, Honorable Teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate National Science Day, observed on 28th February, to honor the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. His groundbreaking discovery in 1928 not only earned India a Nobel Prize, but also proved that Indian minds can shine on the world stage. But National Science Day is not just a day to tribute the great scientists. It's a day to celebrate your curiosity. That is, the courage to ask questions and the determination to seek answers. Every big invention doesn't just start from giant laboratories. It starts from just a simple question. Why? Why does lightning strike? Why does the apple fall down? How can we see objects? How can we cure diseases? Today, every single invention and technological advancement started because someone dared to ask these questions. Today, science shapes an integral part of our lives, from the electricity that connects our homes to AI that can cure medicines and so on. Science is a game changer which can transform your dreams into reality. On this special day, let us not just promise to study science, but also to think scientifically, that is, to observe, to question, and to innovate. Today, me and my friend are going to talk about how science protects us in our everyday life. Let me just start with a simple question. Don't answer it aloud. How many passwords do you remember? Phone, email, games, Wi-Fi? But here's the fun fact. The average person forgets more passwords than birthdays. No wonder you keep clicking the forget password button in your computer, right? But let me tell you something. There is one password that no human can forget in their life. That is their fingerprint, their face, and their eyes. That is your own biometrics. Welcome to the world of biometrics.
A fun fact, here's something crazy. Even identical twins who look so similar that their parents get confused have no same fingerprints. Nature clearly hates copying. Even photocopy machines would get offended. This is where biometrics begin. Biometrics is simply science saying, instead of remembering secrets, let the human body speak.
Now, let me talk about fingerprints, your first ever ID card. Look at your finger. Do you see those curves? They are not just curves. They are folds, loops, and arches that determine your identity. Your fingerprint stays the same from the day you are born till your last day. Even if you get more taller, shorter, or annoying, your fingerprint stays loyal to you. When you keep your fingerprint on a fingerprint sensor, it doesn't just store it like a photo. It stores a math pattern and numbers. So, when hackers try to hack your finger, they only get those math pattern and numbers. That is good news for you, but bad news for the hackers. That is why fingerprints are trusted in phones, banks, and crime investigations. Your finger is basically a walking barcode, except you don't have to scan it in a supermarket.
Face ID. Why your phone knows it's you? Now let me ask you something. Why doesn't Face ID unlock when someone shows your photo? Because your phone is smarter than that. It doesn't look onto your face, it looks through it. Now here's the cool part. Face ID throws thousands of invisible dots onto your face. No, you won't feel them. Don't worry. It measures how deep your eyes are, how your nose sticks out, and the shape of your jaw. Basically, it's doing a 3D sculpture faster than an art exam. Now here's the fun fact. Face ID can recognize you even when you're wearing glasses, even when your hairstyle changes, and even when it is dark. Your phone doesn't see beauty, it sees geometry.
Now, let me talk about visual ID, which is more unique than your DNA and is more crazier than Face ID. Let me tell you something. Your iris pattern is so complex that your right eye is completely different from your left eye. Iris scanners can scan a person from several feet away. That is why airports love this eye recognition. It's just science quietly judging you and saying, yes, this human is real. No password, no touch.
The secret brain behind all this. So who remembers all these patterns? Not a human. Human forget where they kept their pen. Artificial intelligence it is. AI learns your patterns just the way your best friend recognizes you. Not by your name, but by how you look, move, and sound. That's why biometric systems improve over time. They don't just recognize you, they learn you.
Biometrics is already everywhere. You might think this is big stuff, high technological advancement. Not at all. It's already in your hands. It is used in phones, it is used in school and office attendance, it is used in banks, it is used in crime investigations, and it has innumerable uses.
But here's something serious to think about. You can change a password, but you cannot change your face. That's why scientists work hard on privacy, encryption, ethical use. Technology should recognize us. It should not misuse us.
Let me tell you how the future sounds like with these biometrics. Your fingerprint starts your bike, your face opens your house, and your iris pattern confirms your exams. Sounds crazy, right?
Final thought. Passwords can be forgotten, cards can be stolen, but you and your biometrics are 1 in a billion, 1 in 8 billion. Your fingerprint, your face, your eyes. They are not just parts of your body, they are science's favorite passwords. And the next time your phone unlocks, science just recognized you. Now here are some fun facts. The Romeo and Juliet components. The true depth camera uses the Romeo component to project 30,000 plus infrared dots onto your face and the Juliet module to read the pattern.
Now, let me tell you about the first smartphone fingerprint sensor was developed. The first smartphone fingerprint sensor was developed not by a big shot company like Apple or HTC. It was developed first in the Toshiba Z500 in 2007. Hope you liked our speech. Thank you.
Next up, we have a debate. Is science responsible for our modern day diseases? What do you think? Now, Sukrit Bhargavan of 7B and Simulation of 8A are going to ponder over this topic. Let's listen to them.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, advisor, teacher, and dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak on the topic science is responsible for modern day diseases. Science has made our life comfortable and advanced, but at the same time, it has also brought many health challenges. First, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Earlier, people walked, played, and did physical works. But today, we sit for hours watching TV, mobile phones, and laptop. Less movement has led to obesity, diabetes, and heart issues. Even kids suffer from these. Science made our life easy, but we have become too lazy.
Science is often blamed for some modern problems, but it is not cause for modern diseases. In fact, science has helped us to prevent, control, and cure many illnesses. I am going to speak strongly, supporting the view that science is not the cause. Science has increased life expectancy. Before scientific advances, deadly diseases like smallpox and polio killed millions. Through vaccines and medical research, smallpox has been eradicated and polio is nearly eliminated. People today live much longer than the past because of only scientific progress. Better detection makes diseases more visible. Modern technology helps doctors to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Conditions like cancer or diabetes may seem more common today, but often it's because we are better at detecting them, not just because of science. Lifestyle choices are a major factor. Many modern diseases are linked to lifestyle habits such as unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, smoking, etc. For example, heart disease is strongly connected to diet and physical activity levels. These are social and behavioral issues and not scientific ones.
Next, fast food and processed food. Science helps us to preserve food, but it's loaded with chemicals, sugar, and salt. Pizza, burgers, and instant noodles are all convenient but unhealthy. Result: more obesity, more diabetes, more stomach issues, and more heart issues. Pollution is another issue. Factories, vehicles pollute air, water, land, which causes asthma, infection, stress, and many other problems. Science gave us progress, but at what cost?
Science improves public health and sanitation. Scientific knowledge led to clean water systems, sewage treatment, and hygienic practices. These great advancements greatly reduced the spread of infectious diseases like cholera and tuberculosis. Technology helps manage diseases. Even when diseases cannot be cured fully, science helps to manage them. For example, insulin allows the people with type 1 diabetes to live healthy lives. Medical devices, surgeries, and medicines improve the quality of life. Science identifies environmental risks. Science helps to identify harmful substances and regulate them. Research has exposed the dangers of smoking, air pollution, and toxic chemicals. Without science, these harmful substance may go unnoticed.
We also overuse medicines. Science saves life, but self-medication and chemical-laced products weaken our immunity. Lastly, mental health. Social media and mobile addiction have led to anxiety, depression, less social interaction, and more virtual life gives us stress.
While some modern developments like processed foods or pollution can contribute to human health, science itself is not the cause. Instead, science is a tool and when used responsibly, it protects and improves human health.
Science isn't the villain, it's our misuse of it. If we don't balance check with the nature, health issues will rise. Let's use science wisely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear friends, our next program will be a quiz show. Sit back and enjoy, and there will be a surprise at the end.
Akila, the charge is moving.
A very good morning. The next round here is quiz. So we have 4 rounds. The first one is icons of innovation. The second one we have brain blitz. The third is the science cipher. And the fourth one is the demonstration round. Okay. Today's quiz is not just about right answers but about questioning, thinking and exploring just like real scientists do. Let's put your knowledge to the test, challenge your minds, and most importantly, have fun with science. I'll read out the rules. There are 6 teams. The first team is Mercury, the second is Venus. Mercury, please stand up. Team A. Team B is Venus. Team C is Earth. Team 4 is Mars. Team 5 Jupiter. And Team 6 is Saturn. So the general rules are, each team will get 1 question per turn. Every correct answer carries 10 points. If a team passes, the question given to the next team is for 5 points. You will have 30 seconds to discuss an answer. If the question gets passed on to the next team, you get only 15 seconds to answer. And most importantly, the audience is requested not to reveal or prompt any answers, but please cheer for all the participants present here. Thank you. So round 1, there will be a statement that will be presented on the screen. Okay, you have to answer.
Cheer and keep going. You cheer and keep going.
I studied plants and showed that plants have life and feelings through experiments. I was a famous Indian scientist. Who am I? Team A.
No answer from the audience. But
Jagannath Chandra.
Sorry?
Jagannath Chandra.
No. Sorry? Pass it to the next team.
Nivedita scored.
Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose.
Correct. That's the correct answer.
Third. Not Venus, Earth.
Third team.
Third team answered.
Answer. The next question is to team Venus, team B. Find the odd one out. There will be 4 names showed. Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo, and Charles Darwin. Find the odd one out. TV.
Galileo Galilei. Third one.
Sorry, it's wrong. Please keep the mic to the next one.
Charles Darwin.
Can I ask why?
Because Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei have been prominent in physics, while Charles Darwin has been prominent in other various.
Absolutely. He's a biologist and the others are physicists. The next question is to teach the Earth. Where is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island located?
Audience round, then no, we'll cancel audience round. If you shout. Where is it? It gets passed.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Lakshmi.
Sorry, wrong answer. We pass it to the next team. Sorry.
3 seconds.
Rameshwaram.
No.
Island. Island was the question. Rameshwaram Island. We'll ask the audience, no? அவர் வரப்போது
The last boy, you raised it.
Raise your hand. No.
Sorry, wrong answer.
Girls, this side. Yeah, this one. Where is the good name? Chichi.
No.
You Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
No. Can we have the answer? It's located in Odisha. It's called the Wheeler Island, which is a missile testing facility. The next question is to teach sport. March.
Boys.
In 1665, a scientist observed a thin slice of cork under a microscope and coined the term cell. Name the scientist.
Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke.
Very good. Correct. The next question is to team 5, Jupiter. Which Indian scientist is known as the father of the Indian space program and played a key role?
Children. No excitement, ma. Wait.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Sorry.
Charles Darwin.
No, sorry. We're looking for an Indian scientist.
Indian.
Sarabhai?
Yes.
Vikram Sarabhai is an Indian physicist and astronomer.
Asking. This is for
The
asking.
last question is to Team 6, Saturn. Identify the scientists associated with this agricultural revolution in India.
Superram. Who's calling?
M.S. Swaminathan.
Very good, correct. He is the father of green revolution in India.
Boys.
With this, the first round is over. Moving on.
See the scores here.
Mercury team.
The first round is over, children, and Mercury is 5 points. Earth team has got 10 points. Mars team has got 10 points, and Saturn team has got 10 points. Okay? Venus and Jupiter are yet to open their account.
Moving on to round 2, which is the brain blitz. Again, a statement will be shown. You have 30 seconds to identify the answer. If you don't, the question gets passed on to the next team.
Read properly. Read the statement.
Your time starts now.
What is the expansion of DNA? Teammate.
Audience,
Nucleic acid. Sorry. TP. 50 seconds.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Very
It's
good.
correct. The next question is for team B. At which temperature does the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale coincide?
Which temperature?
Fahrenheit.
Sorry, that's not the right answer.
Fahrenheit is 180 degrees Celsius. The scale difference is 180, and for Celsius it's 100.
But at which temperature do they coincide? The two scales?
No.
No. But there is a degree.
There is a number.
There is a number.
Minus 44.
Sorry. The next question is for team C. How many pairs of chromosomes are present in humans? We request the audience to maintain silence, please.
Time. 10 seconds. You have 5 seconds left. No. 30 seconds over.
The question is passed on to the next team. 23 pairs. Correct. Next question is for team 4. Where are nuclear reactors located in Tamil Nadu?
Time starts now.
Where are nuclear reactors located in Tamil Nadu?
30 seconds.
One mic this side.
Chennai.
Sorry, the question is passed on to the next team.
Nuclear reactor. Ignite.
Sorry. Next team.
Coimbatore.
Sorry. Teammate.
Not the place you're going for vacation. Try.
No. Team B.
Tell.
Salem. Sorry? Salem. All Monday.
No. So the answer is it's Kudankulam and Kalpakkam. The next question is for Team 5. Jupiter. Which is the flower found in the Nilgiris that blooms once in 12 years? Team 5.
Meerakunji.
Correct. The next question is for Team 6.
பின்னாடி தள்ளுங்க.
Ma'am, can we have the next question,
யாருமே
please?
தெரியலம்மா. Everybody said that.
Which is the most reactive non-metal?
அந்த பேண்ட் ஃபோன் பண்ணிக்கணும் கரெக்டாக எதாவது போங்க அந்த பேண்ட் ஃபோன் பண்ணிக்கணுங்க இப்போ அவன் தானே ஃபோன் பண்ணிக்கிறான்
Sorry? Sorry, it's wrong answer. Next thing.
Hydrogen. Graphite.
No. Most reactive non-metal.
Mercury.
No.
Zinc.
No. Next thing, please.
Neon.
No. So the answer is fluorine. With this, we come to an end with round 2.
The scores are Mercury 5 points, Venus 5 points, Earth 10 points, Mars 20 points, Jupiter 10 points, and Saturn 10 points.
The third round is called the science cipher, where a set of images will be shown. You'll have to connect it and identify. It's more like connection. So the first question is for team 1. Set of images will be shown.
30 seconds.
To answer.
Yes. The time starts now.
Hey! Slow. Big part.
Carbon dioxide.
Correct.
Very good.
The next question is for team B.
The time starts now.
Audience, please make it right. Correct. It's atmosphere. Team 3, the next question.
The time starts now.
Hey!
10 seconds left. Hey, easy. 2 seconds. Yes, time up.
The question is passed on to the next team. You have 15 seconds.
Easy it is.
Time up. Time up.
Next team.
Newton.
Correct.
Yes.
That is suitable for you. Well done.
Very good, very good.
The next question is for team 4.
Yeah.
Hold your Excitement, next round is yours. Wait.
Your time starts now. Yes, your time starts now.
Biology. That's just half of it. Next thing, sorry. The audience please maintain silence.
Your time starts now. Yes.
Yeah.
I request the audience to kindly maintain silence.
Microbiology.
Very good.
The next question is for team 5.
Your time starts now. Team 5.
Catalyst. Correct.
Very good. Very good.
The next question is for team 6.
Time starts now.
Hydrogen.
It's correct.
Hydrogen.
After point.
Mercury, your points. Mercury 15 points. Venus 15 points. Earth 10 points. Mars 20 points. Jupiter 30 points. And Saturn 20 points.
We have a few more questions for the audience, so you can take a guess now. Okay? Jupiter is leading by 3 points. 30 points. Sorry.
Yes.
So we have a question for the audience.
Lift your hands up, bus.
Don't shout, okay? Don't shout the answers. Lift your hands up, that's all.
Wait, ma, children.
Hey, wait, we'll ask the question and then you raise your hand. We didn't even ask the question. By then,
No, that's all. That's the
Oh, that's the clue.
germination. Correct.
Germany.
We have another one.
Come, last fellow, come here.
Correct. Don't worry, we have 2 more.
1 second, 1 second. Huh?
So I think the audience knows the answer. Battery. It's correct. It's correct. Last one.
Not the same person. Answer
Self-limitation.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer.
Sodium nitrate.
Sorry, that's wrong.
Sodium chloride.
Correct. It's sodium chloride. With this, we are done with 3 rounds. So the fourth and the final round is the demonstration round. This is where curiosity meets creativity and ideas come to life. Because today science isn't just learned, it's experienced. The teams will come forward and pick their lots, and based on that they will be doing the demonstrations here.
Ah.
The first 6 demonstrations will be done by the teams on the stage. The last 3 is open to the audience. 30 seconds per demo.
30 seconds for demo. Okay?
Thank you. The first team is 8A.
Now audience
8A students who are presenting, please come onto the stage.
remain silent, ma. There is another round coming for audience. That will have prize. Once you talk, we will not question you.
Just let me know, I will start the vlog. Yes, yes, yes.
HC, please get ready.
You're going to start. Wait, Divya ma'am will. When Divya ma'am says ready, we will start.
Wait. Boys, there.
What is that?
What is the necessity to talk, ma?
Here we have taken some water and we have put some piece of paper in the water. Now she will touch the soap and piece of paper moves away.
Yes, your time starts now.
Female.
Because one part of the soap will take in the water and another part of the soap will repel anything along with the water. No, wrong.
Next team, your time starts now. You get 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Time up, next team. Your time starts now. Next.
The soap molecules occupy the space of the water in which the papers are present. This causes the paper to move away to the sides.
Sorry, next thing.
Next team, time starts now. Five seconds left.
பார்த்துக்கோங்க சதீஷ்
Time up.
தெரியுதா
Next
பேர்
team.
ஃபோன் அடிச்சு
திவ்யா
என் தெரியும் என் பையன்
This is the surface question. The one. Yes, that's the right answer. Can you explain? The demonstrating team, can you explain the answer?
The soap reduces the surface tension. Surface tension is the elastic-like force at the surface of water which makes it act like a thin stretch membrane.
Thank you.
Very good.
The second team is 8C. The next team is 7C. Please be ready. Third team.
Now all of you observe. Hello.
Observe and
We request the audience to kindly observe.
All are scientists in the making.
observe and start thinking what could be the answer, what is happening here.
Boys. Hey, boss. Nothing will happen. Which team is to start? This team.
This girl, no, we are unable to see. The second, we are unable to see properly.
Ma, go that side and stand, child.
Go that side, go there. Yes.
Go this side. Pour it nicely. Pour it down nicely. Ma, melt the candle properly. Melt the candle nicely.
The second team will answer. Team Venus.
Ask the question. She asked? Did she ask the question?
Then we'll start again.
Ma, start asking the question.
Why does the water rise?
Yes, your time starts now. The second team.
Second team, career.
Because of the pressure.
You have to explain the phenomenon. Time.
5 seconds left. Yes. Time up.
The next team, please answer.
The oxygen present inside the bottle is used up and the water moves inside due to suction force, and then the space of the oxygen is occupied by the water.
Is it fine?
Correct.
Right.
The next team is 7C.
Suction. அதனால தான் அந்த flame வந்து because oxygen goes out. And because of suction effect, the water is getting and oxygen
Now we are going to do an experiment using straw, thread and balloon.
Audience.
Do you observe the balloon coming closer? Why?
Team 4, please answer.
Your time starts now.
Team 3, I'm sorry.
Team 3.
Show it again to them. Ma, turn that side.
Because he is blowing the balloon and the forces because of the force the balloon is moving.
Why does it come closer, not go farther away? Why does the balloon come close to each other, not going away?
Time up. Next team. Your time starts now.
Turn it and show it to them. How many more demo? 3 more. Huh?
Time up.
Next team.
blow the balloon goes away, and when it acts as a pendulum, and then it comes back.
No. Next team.
Time up. Next team.
Because both has opposite ions.
Opposite ions? No.
Team A.
The time starts now. Team A.
Leela. ये नहीं है.
After the exercise.
Because of the material of the balloon, when it is blown, it will stop repelling, and it will the atoms in the balloon will come.
Material remains same, no? Did we change it? Material remains same.
No. Next team.
Electrostatic force.
What's the right answer? Listen, boys.
Boys.
Wait. They'll give the right answer.
When we blow through the balloon, the space between the balloons are low pressure. So the higher pressure air, which is outside it, tries to fill that low pressure gap. Hence, the balloons are sticking together. This scientific principle is also known as Bernoulli's principle.
Thank you. The next team to demonstrate is
Bernoulli.
8B.
Come fast. You should be ready now. Go.
Team
Go
4.
that side. Go that side. Go from that side. Be careful with the wires, huh? Wire. Bernoulli's principle. Theorem. Okay, audience.
Team 5 is 7A. Please get ready.
Audience. Boys.
Here. Please observe. Remain silent. Observe.
Your event is coming up. Hold on.
No talking, please. Don't make noise.
30, 25, 20, 15, 15. Observe the screen, all of you. Sit straight, ma.
What's the direction of the arrow?
What is happening? Yeah.
Because the water here, but because the water here acts as a mirror, so it shows an inverted image.
No.
Next team.
Next team.
The time starts now. Next team. Team 5. Team 5. The time starts now. I think the mic is with you. Please.
Since it's a convex mirror, it shows a magnified image and makes it look as if it's right to left inverted.
No. Next team.
Next team. Your time starts now.
The glass acts as a lens. So when we pour the water inside the glass, the direction of the arrow automatically changes.
Okay. Next team.
Next team.
Since water bends light, it is shown inverted.
Correct.
Done. Over.
What is the phenomenon called?
Refraction.
Team A. What is the phenomenon called?
What is the name of refraction? You said?
Refraction. So the next team to demonstrate is 7A. From 7A.
And the team.
Team 5 will answer the question.
Audience.
Team 5, look at the screen. Be ready to shoot.
Now we will have points for audience also.
Ma, will you please?
Girls, no, those who talk will not be questioned, ma. Sit straight. Avinash. Sit properly, Avinash. Sachin, sit properly.
6C, please get ready. You will be demonstrating next.
Varsha, why don't you come and give a demo? Should come from within. Should have come from. See there. You should have got a spatula, ma. Why you should have got a spatula? Spoon kondarma. There.
Request the audience to maintain silence, please. Students, kindly maintain silence and observe.
A student would have.
No, anyway, something. They should have brought a spoon or something. Right. They've brought.
Students, please observe.
Ask the question.
Ask the question and then you have time to start.
In the cup with salt water, the egg floats. But in the cup with normal water, the egg sinks. Why?
Your time starts now. Team 5.
Since the cup with salt water has more density, it makes the egg float while the normal water has less density and it sinks.
Correct. The next demonstration is from class 6C to team 6. Students, kindly be a little patient because the next is going to be demonstrated by you all. From the audience, you will be doing the demonstration next.
So here we are mixing baking soda and
Students, kindly maintain silence, please.
here we are mixing baking soda and warm water to create a paste.
No, careful, careful.
And we are writing something with that paste.
Come on, you three. You two come on.
This is turmeric. And now we are applying the turmeric based on the writings. So how are the words visible now?
Team 6, please answer.
So the baking soda is a base and the turmeric and sanitizer is acid. So when it combines, the acid changes base into red. So we can visibly see the.
It's correct. Ma'am, can you please announce the points?
Final points. Mercury 20 points, Venus 15 points, Earth 15 points, Mars 20 points, Jupiter 40 points, and Saturn 35 points. Second position is backed by Saturn 35 points, and the third position is backed by Mercury 20 points. Mercury and Mars 20 points. Third position.
We have a tiebreaker now. We've come to the end of the quiz session also, so the tiebreaker question will be asked by Gayatri ma'am. This is for team 1 and 4 ma'am. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So whoever raises, whichever team raises their hand first, they will get to answer. The other team will not get points. Okay? It's a proper rapid fire. This is between team 1 and 4 only.
I'm sure you know the 3 states of matter. What are they?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Yeah, but that is not the question. What are the 4th and 5th states of matter?
Plasma.
I think we can give them 5 points. Plasma is correct, and the other one is Bose-Einstein condensate.
We have another tiebreaker between team 2 and team 3.
So team Jupiter wins the quiz with 40 points.
Can you get up?
And
Team Jupiter, please stand up.
Give them a big round of applause.
7B will be doing a demonstration now. The questions will be asked to the audience. No chorus answers. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. We will ask you. Okay? No group answers, please.
GR. Gayatri ma'am. Doesn't matter. Gayatri, come down. She says, let the demonstration get over. After the Now, audience, listen carefully. Now, I won't talk till there is silence. Now, there's going to be a demo. Once the demo is over, a question will be posed. No one shouts. Those who know the answer, lift your hands up. 3 chances will be given. First person, if he answers, well and good. He is the prize winner. If he fails to answer, it will go to second person. If he answers, he will be the prize winner. Otherwise, it will go to the third person. After that, it will not be, passed on. Answer will be given by the demonstrator itself. Did you understand the rules? Those who shout that side, I am not going to see. I am going to choose from the other side. Let's see whether the boys are silent or girls.
When ink is added to normal water, it spreads quickly and mixes.
1 second, children.
We have to keep a tab on the.
Ma.
When ink is added to normal water, it spreads quickly and uniformly. When ink is added to salt water, it spreads slowly and does not mix as well as in normal water. What do you think happened?
This boy, he lifted his hand first. What's your name? Abhina. Which class?
Due to the density present.
Wrong. Wrong answer. Down. What's your name? Your class.
Because the salt water is having the density, right?
Look there.
The salt water is having more dense, so the ink will slowly get down, but the normal water has a low dense, so it's
Yes, no, she said no.
faster.
That's not the right answer. Come. Your name first.
Sujay side.
That side.
Sedimentation.
Actually, 3 chances over. One last person who is very confident, I'll give. Come. Your name, class section.
Sushil Kumar of 8B. So when the water is mixed with salt, the water molecules have space between them, and the salt occupies the space, so the ink takes a longer time to settle down.
No, sorry, wrong answer. Any girl? Come. Are you confident? Come. Answer. Last one.
Because salt.
Tell your name, section, class.
I am Hanishi, 7C. because salt has more dense and because it is light. Ink is also light and it is both do not mix with together. It is not mixable.
Wrong answer. Now the demonstrator will tell the answer.
When solute is added to water, there is interaction between water and solute, which is ink. When salt is dissolved in water, water interacts more strongly with salt in the formation of ions. This decreases the solubility of ink in salt water.
So we learned something. Look at the next demo.
The next will be done by 6B.
Price you remove it now.
The class 6B.
We'll give it to somebody else now.
Students kindly observe. Students kindly observe.
Decide on a name and then most promising. Most promising.
This is salt water and when current, this is salt water. Can you see bubbles forming in the tip of the pencil? Explain why.
No, you should understand that there are bubbles getting formed.
Come. Tell me your name. Sachit. Your name, class, section.
Subset of class 8A. This process is called electrolysis. When we add a acid, salt or base to water, the separation of water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen take place, in which positive ions move towards the negative electrode and negative ions move towards the positive electrode.
Correct?
Good.
Tell your spelling. Next demo now.
We request GR ma'am to give away the prize.
Wait here. One more demo is there.
One more demo is
Sachit. Look at them.
The last one. Demo.
The last demo, yes.
The next demonstration is by class 6A.
What is it? What? Sit down. No, ma'am. She told her to.
Students kindly observe.
Sit. Go inside.
We are going to take
Ma, go. Go that side.
vinegar. Yes. We are going to
Now
The
look
question is being read out now. Please listen. Can you please repeat the question one more time?
So now we are going to take a bottle of vinegar
Ma'am,
and
hold on,
add
just turn the bottle, ma. The label is seen. Turn the bottle. Oh, everywhere there's label. Huh? Remove the label, ma. Nothing is seen inside the label.
so we
You'll
are
have to- Oh, it will seen outside.
So now we are going to take a bottle of vinegar and add some baking soda into the balloon.
Careful. There's nothing to laugh.
And now we are going to insert the balloon into the mouth of the balloon.
Students, kindly maintain silence and observe.
And now we are going to lift the balloon. So that straightly falls into the vinegar. And now the balloon inflates. So why does the balloon inflate?
Those who shout fail to get a chance. It's not always from the first table. Come here. Come here.
Ultimate AHC, when carbon dioxide falls into vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction and carbon dioxide is released. So it goes straight up into the balloon and the balloon gets inflated.
Carbon dioxide is not added. What is getting added to vinegar?
Soda is added. Now the carbon dioxide makes the air raised to the balloon and it gets inflated.
Partly correct. There is carbon dioxide getting in. No. He has told the right answer. Problem is he was a bit confused. Otherwise, he gave away the right answer. Come out, that's right.
I request Kartika ma'am to please give away the prize.
Spell your name. What is his name? Good man. Congratulations. Congratulations. God bless.
Thank you, Kartika ma'am. We have one more question for the audience.
Listen.
Kindly listen.
What is the lowest temperature that can be reached?
No, we'll ask somebody from behind me. Kailash, come outside. Tell your name, class section.
Kailash from class 7C. The lowest temperature that can be reached is minus 10.
Minus 10 now.
Minus 10 degrees Celsius.
Perfectly wrong.
You cannot answer.
Minus 99 degrees.
Ma'am, you go and select some.
Kirtana B from 8B, minus 80 degrees Celsius.
Pranav Subramanian from class 8C, countless number of negative integers degrees Celsius.
I am Steve Hudson of class 7A, minus 273 Celsius.
That's correct. I request Angika ma'am to please give away the prize.
Spell your name.
SRI BAT SAN.
What's your name?
பின்னாடி
We go to the first prize. You are the HOD.
prize distribution, I request Principal Ma'am to kindly give away the prize to our winners. The third place is backed by the team Mercury, Lingeshwaran, Vignesh and Shrish. Congratulations. The second place is backed by team Saturn, Srinesh Ayyappan, Surya Lakshmi Krishnan and Pooja S.
Hey! Put on.
Kindly give a big round of applause to the winners. And the first place is backed by team Jupiter, Prahalad and Karthik, Anish Kumar and Rohit S. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Ma'am, we request you to say a few words, please.
Good morning, everyone. I am very happy to see all young scientists and inventors, right? So, very, very happy. So, in future, we will have very many CV Ramans and that too from Kalalaya, right? All young scientists, right? Who can actually invent, discover, innovate, but all these will be possible if only you do research on something, right? So if only you keep on researching, you can invent many more scientific advanced technologies, right? So please be creative and think always and ask questions. If only you ask questions, you can get more answers and you can just proceed further, right? So if only you question on things, you can invent very many things in the future. So I wish all Kalalayans all the very best, and I am sure that definitely many from this group will get a Nobel Prize like Sir C.V. Raman, and on that day definitely our school's name will be projected to the world, right? Wishing you all the best in advance and happy National Science Day to all, and create more and more, do more research and just give your contributions to the world, right? All the best children. Thank you. And a big round of applause for all science teachers for organizing this program, which has kindled interest in all young scientists. Hats off to science teachers of Kalalaya. Thank you.
அள்ளிக்காங்க சார் அது அவன் குட்டிக்குப்பா ஆயிடுச்சு ஆஃப் பண்ண ஏய்
Now Malini will propose the vote of thanks. Our respected principal, teachers, and my fellow young Einsteins, good morning. As a 7th grader, still trying to figure out the perfect chemical formula for getting extra playtime, I'm thrilled that the reaction to today's event has been so positive. It is an honor to present the vote of thanks. I would like to thank our principal. Thank you for cultivating the perfect educational ecosystem. You have created a habitat where we can grow, branch out, and occasionally undergo a little mutation in our ideas, all while ensuring we have the right environment to flourish. A special thanks to our teachers. You are the enzymes that speed up our learning process. Thank you for patiently explaining for the 100th time why we can actually see atoms and for keeping our curiosity under high pressure. I want to thank the brilliant organizing team. Your work behind the scenes like dark matter, unseen, but holding the entire universe of this event together. Thank you, my fellow students and participants of today's event. Whether your volcano erupted perfectly or a robot decided to take an unexpected nap, you are all innovators. Science isn't just about the right answer. It's about asking real questions. Keep being the anomalies that change the world. Before we conclude, let us take a moment to thank the Almighty, the Supreme Architect of this vast and intricate universe. While we spend our days trying to decode the laws of nature, we stand in awe of the divine intelligence that set every atom in motion and gave us the curiosity to explore it. Thank you.
Let's have a big round of applause to all your teachers. 6, 7, 8, 1, So I believe the more you shout it, the more you like your teachers. Is that understood? Amazing. By our Gayatri ma'am, Ramana ma'am, Divya ma'am, Archila ma'am, and Nivedita ma'am. Of course, we keep them later. This excitement should not stop here. I know the excitement is more because first 3 periods is gone off. I knew the real reason. Didn't want to tell it when principal was there. Okay, so this cheer and happiness must continue, and the The inquisitiveness to learn more scientific topics must go ahead in life till you are going places afterwards. Okay? In later in life, when you go places, your science concept must still be there. God bless. Let's appreciate the first two boys who spoke on biometrics. Can you come up on to the dais? A big round of applause. They spoke so well. What's your name, Sai? Sai Tejas, huh? Sai Pranav and Sai Tejas did an amazing job. The language and clarity was impeccable. Impeccable and appreciable it was. God bless to both of you. Malini, of course. Stand up. Where's Malini? Malini did a great job. I've never heard a vote of thanks that is so very, creative, and it had every bit of it had scientific concepts incorporated. They never knew vote of thanks will also have scientific concepts. Good, Malini. God bless. Go ahead. And who other two people who spoke, and all of you who did the demo. Debate people, those two. What's your name? Sudaresan. Sudaresan and Sukrit. I'm sure Sukrit didn't mean that science is resulting in illnesses, and he also wanted to speak for science, but somebody had to go against. That's why I'm sure Sukrit has gone against, and Sivanesan did for science and against science. That was good. And all those who did the demo, all those who participated, all the prize winners, and more so all the audience, you were all amazing. Each one of you. Let this spirit continue till your lifetime and be for science, and each one, as principal said, each one must be in your own field an innovator and a scientist. We should have many Einsteins coming up from this platform here. God bless all of you. Thank you. Special thanks to our physical education master, Mr. This sound didn't come for your science teachers. It came only for your physical science. May we thank Perumal uncle here with our children for microphone. Happy National Science Day to all of you. God bless all of you.
Wait, don't move. Don't move. இது எப்படி அணைக்க